Alright guys, we're at McDonald's. I'm gonna order my first Big Mac. What is up guys, it's Dr. Cheese and welcome to my very first video of 2025. Feels good to be back guys, it's been a while, I'm glad to be back on camera. So I figured what better way to start off this year by making a video about something I've surprisingly never done before. Ladies and gentlemen, I have never eaten a Big Mac in my entire life. You know, it's really weird. I've always been a McDonald's fan for like basically my whole life, but I've never actually eaten a Big Mac. So today, I'm proud to say that I will be eating my very first Big Mac. Alrighty guys, here we go. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Yo, the lettuce is dropping out of that thing. So there's a lot to unpack here. I mean, here's a close-up. I mean, there's sauce, like lettuce just falling out. Yeah, so this is quite the sandwich, guys. It's quite the burger. So I believe there is some sliced onions on top. There's 2 patties. There's another bun in the middle. There was a crap ton of lettuce. There was like so much lettuce in this burger. And of course you have the classic Big Mac sauce. Their signature Big Mac sauce. Alrighty guys, this is it. I'm about to take my very first bite of a Big Mac. 3, 2, 1. Oh, guys, this is like the messiest burger I've ever eaten. This is actually kind of gross. All right, guys. Wow. Very interesting, I have to admit. This is like, it's like liquid. I don't even know what to say about this. There's so much flavor. And I don't even know if that's a good thing or not. There's a lot of crunchiness. There's a lot of tanginess. I can hardly taste the cheese. It's just, as soon as I bit into it, I don't even know what I was tasting. I think it was the sauce mixed in with the cheese maybe. And then there was the crunch of the onions. And then there was the lettuce. So it's very crunchy, but it's also very mushy. I don't really know. That's not a very good combination in my opinion. I'd much rather prefer to taste every individual ingredient. I don't know, guys. I've been on this earth for 17 years. And I'm just now eating my first Big Mac. And honestly, I don't really see the hype. I'm so conflicted how I feel about this. Cause it's the Big Mac. It's the burger of America. You know what I'm saying? It's the McDonald's burger. It's the signature burger. Look, here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. I can definitely see a lot of people enjoying the Big Mac. Honestly, it's just not really for me. It's too much stuff. It's very overwhelming. Yeah. Big Mac, final review. I'm gonna give the Big Mac a solid 6 out of 10, okay? I mean, look, it's just, if you're a fan of the Big Mac, all power to you, but it's just not for me. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I was looking forward to enjoying my first Big Mac, but hey, it is what it is. It's a fine product. It's look at this thing. It's just so overwhelming. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of eating my first Big Mac. It's gonna be a great year, guys. I'm gonna try to do a lot of cool videos. Yeah. Let's just have fun. See you guys on the next video. Ba 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 ba.